Hello friends, welcome back. So, after the last class, now I prepared all the 12 pieces, right? Piece images used in this game here. So now, hopefully you already get your own, right? Images ready. Now we can replace those testing thing here. Let's delete that. Delete. Okay, now I think we can select all here, Command A, and drag all of them to put it here. Yeah, cool, right? And the naming I used is like a capital Bishop, dash break. Okay, so now we'll use those names to replace here, right? For example, black pawn, it's the new naming convention is like that, pawn black. Let's draw some other piece, okay? Maybe king white, maybe queen black. Let's see, run it. Yes, gorgeous, right? Okay, now we'll create we'll go right, let's move on to create data structure to represent a piece, the logical concept piece on the game. Okay, so let's create a file under this yellow folder. Okay, right click, new file. This time we'll select the Swift file. We are not using a Cocoa Touch class, so next, give it a name. ChessPiece, okay, is a good name, ChessPiece, and create. So we can put it near the top, okay, like that. It doesn't matter, you can put it anywhere. So remember when we created this guy is a class. Board view is a class. It's a subclass of UI view, okay? But now there are three different types class. So today we'll use a struct. Another one is enum. Okay, we'll use that later. Okay, ChessPiece is a struct. You see the second one, struct. So give it a name. We'll use the same name here, ChessPiece, same as the file name. File name is not important, but this name is what we use in the code. And it should compile. So now we'll list all the properties we need, right, to represent game piece in this chess game. So what kind of information do we need to keep for each chess piece? Location, right? First one is location, so we'll use that. Let column, data type. We don't need to put any value here because we don't know, right? An object of this struct will represent a concrete piece. So based on whatever, so we'll create 32, right, objects of this struct chess piece to represent the initial 32 pieces on the board. Okay, same thing, let row int, right? So it means, for example, for this piece, the column will be 0 1 2, right, and the row will be 0 1, so 2 1, right, 2 1. What else? The image name, right? We can say keep its image name here. Image name like that. the data type is a string, right? Okay, so yeah, I think it's good enough. Okay, now with this data structure, right, created, we can use it in our drawing code. So for example, here we can create like that. So that break pong equals, now we can use our data struct ChessPiece, you see, like opening parentheses, right? Then yeah, enter. So for this, the first piece, right, is 0 0, like that. Oh, ChessPiece, wait a minute, there should be another thing, right? It doesn't make sense. ChessPiece, we have the three properties. Okay, now let's go back here. Let's try it again. Command B to build. Oh, now yeah, there's a lag for Xcode. Well, it's too bad. Okay, now it makes sense. We have three fields or properties there. So this one will create a ChessPiece object for this piece. Okay, for this guy here. Okay, so when we create that, we pass in the parameters or argument, right? Arguments here. This one, yeah, it's just that same thing here. So now when we command B to see, yeah, there shouldn't be any problem. Now it means we create an object of that ChessPiece, right? How can we use it in the drawing code? So we comment out this one and try to use the information in this object. Okay, draw piece at colon, we can use break pong dot colon. This column is this guy, and when we create an object of that, we passed in this colon 0, so this is 0. Okay, now break pong dot row, right? This is 0. Image guess, right? Break pong dot image name. So this image name is this property here. This property, when we create an object like using this syntax, right? We passed in this argument, right? Here to assign, we assign this string to this property. So now we can use it, right, by using the dot syntax to get the value out and use it here. Okay, now run it. We should be able to see this same image here. Run it. Oh, sorry, go back here, start, and the command R, run it. Yeah, it's there, right? So we can do this. So now we can remove that, and we can create another one, right? Another object for this guy, for this piece, the second piece on the board. Okay, so this is white king. Okay, so we can do that. This can be any name. White king equals, we'll create a ChessPiece object, right? Like that. So 2 here, right? row is 1 and image name is this guy. Yeah, so now we can use, right, draw piece at column white king dot column, right, white king dot row, white king dot image name. Yeah, so now that's coming out those two. Run it. Yeah, so this queen is gone, this queen is gone. The white king was generated, that was drawn by, yeah, this code, these 2 lines of code. Now let's add, let's delete that and try to create a black queen. Okay, so black queen equals ChessPiece column 7, right, 7 1 tab key, like that. Okay, so we can delete that. Yeah, so delete that and draw image at column black queen dot column, right. We get the value 7 from this object. Yeah, so row image name black queen dot image name, like that. Okay, so we can run it to make sure the black queen is here. Yeah, so now we create our, the important thing is we can use this object, right, this struct to create object of this type. Now okay, we'll put that in our next video. We'll create a container to contain, right, a bunch of objects of this data type, like it's like a ChessPiece box, right. Okay, so that's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.